everyone, just recording for you beginners solo ballroom. This is social foxtrot routine number 5. So anyone that was looking in the video list, this was actually taught online on Tuesday, the 2nd of November 2021. So there's a full 1 hour class in the playlist where all of this is broken down and we build it up throughout the 1 hour class. This is just a very short summary, so if you're not on a video plan, I'm sorry if this is all you've got access to, but you might want to check out the video plan. Not a big marketing plug. Okay, so we did everything on the right foot and then we did everything on the left foot. Okay, so let's look at the right foot version. We started with the walking back. Walk, walk, side together, walk, walk, side together. We did a promenade. Walk, walk, side together. We did little sway taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did a box step. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And we did a right foot twinkle starting back on our right. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. We did 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. We closed on 8. Okay, that was the right foot side. Let's go on the left foot. Okay, so we can use both sides of the room. Left foot, starting back in, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, promenade. Walk, walk, side together, sway, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and box. Back together, box, back together, box. Last one, and this time the twinkle is a forwards left lead, so that's the only slight difference. Everything else is complete mirror image, but on the right foot twinkle we started backwards into the whisk, and on the left foot twinkle forwards. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Third one, fourth one, fifth one, 6, 7, and 8. We closed. I am going to dance both sections, counting out the slows and the quicks without stopping, and then you can look at the whole 1 hour class should you need to do so. Let's start on the left side of our space with the right foot available. Right foot, right arm up as though I'm dancing the followers' steps. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, twinkle, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, open the arms, 5, number 6, 7, 8, close in, knees together, change to the left hand, leaders hold, and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, step, tap, 4, 3, 2, box, step, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, twinkle coming up, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 5, 6, 7, 8, we closed off, and then we prepared to do it all over again. Social Foxtrot, music playlists are all in the Spotify list. Wherever you are accessing my videos from, you will find on the main page somewhere that you have a list of all the links to my Spotify videos, whether that be just because you're on a weekly catch-up program or whether you're on a video library. Everything should be there. If you're missing anything, do let me know by email and I will help you out. Adele@livetodance.eu. I see you soon. Bye.